Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook algorithm. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Facebook. And once you do that, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside settings, tap on general and now tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Facebook, and once you're inside Facebook, tap on offload app. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you're facing. And once you do that, tap on delete app, and now once this process is complete, all you gotta do is try again, and that will basically fix your issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.